Find the area of the shaded region. So we'll look at a couple different shapes. First, we have a circle with a smaller circle cut out of it. To find the area of the shaded portion, and we are going to do the area of the largest circle, which is shaded in, minus the area of the smaller circle as if we had taken scissors and cut it out of the middle. Now the area of a circle is pi r squared, pi times the radius squared. So first let's find the area of the largest outer circle. Pi times the radius, and the radius for this largest circle, well, all the way across the diameter, they tell us is 24. So half of that is the radius, 12. So we need pi times 12 squared. 12 squared is 144. We'll just call it 144 pi. Usually they won't calculate the decimal answer. They'll just leave it in terms of pi. So that's the largest circle. Now we're going to find the area of the cutout inner circle. Pi times, what is the radius of that inner circle? Well, the only other information they give me is that the width of the ring is 4. So I'm going to subtract that 4 from the radius 12 to give me 8 for the inner radius. So that's pi times 8 squared, which is 64 pi. And now that I have both of those pieces, I will just subtract them. So 144 pi minus 64 pi. That comes out to be 80 pi. Just subtract the numbers 144 minus 64, leave pi on the back. Now, what if we have rectangles? Find the area, the shaded area on the outer part of this rectangle. We'll do the worst case scenario. Let's say that they don't just give us numbers, they give us expressions with x in here. Still the same concept. We're going to find the area of the largest rectangle on the outside and subtract the cutout rectangle in the middle. Area of the largest rectangle minus the area of the inner rectangle. Okay, so the area of the outer rectangle, we know that is length times width, so I'm going to take 2x plus 3 times x plus 9. That is a distributing situation. I have to do 2x times both of these, which is 2x squared plus 18x. And I have to take the 3 times both of these. So plus 3x plus 27. Put your like term x's together in the middle. We have 2x squared plus 21x plus 27. So that's the expression for the area of the largest outer rectangle. Now find the area of the cutout rectangle, the unshaded part. So this is length times width, 6 times x plus 7. Distribute the 6. That gives us 6x plus 42. So I have the largest shaded part minus the inner cutout part. I'm going to subtract them. Two x squared plus 21x plus 27. Now from all of that, I have to subtract the 6x plus 42. I'm putting the 6x plus 42 in parentheses because I have to be subtracting both the 6x and the 42. We have distributing right here. So it's minus 6x and minus 42. Putting our like terms together, 2x squared still in front. 21 minus 6 is 15x. 27 minus 42 is minus 15. So there is your expression for the area of the shaded portion. And another shape, here we have a trapezoid. Find the area of this shaded region. Now this question really depends on what information they give you at the beginning. If they just told you the area of the whole trapezoid to start with, say that it was 36, then finding the area of the shaded portion would be really simple. If we know that this is made of 3 congruent triangles, then we can just divide by 3 and we'll have the area of one of them. But if they don't give you the whole area to start with, they just give you dimensions, we can find the area of the whole trapezoid and then divide it by 3 ourselves. So we'll start here. The area of a trapezoid is 1/2 the sum of the bases, so b1 plus b2, times the height. So let's figure out what that is for the whole trapezoid. 1/2 times, so the bases are the parallel lines 6 and 12, so 6 plus 12 in there. The height, that's the perpendicular height, they give us 4. If I calculate this, 1/2 times 18 times 4, it's 9 times 4, which is 36. So that's the area of the trapezoid. We found it with the area formula for a trapezoid. And now again, if they tell us that these are 3 identical triangles, just divide that by 3 and we'll have the area of one of them, 12.